Number 1. So it tells us a triangle has 3 angles, as all triangles do, A, B, and C. It gives us the measure of 2 of them, and then it's looking for the third. So one tactic that I like to try to employ when I'm doing problems is just rewrite the information that it gives me and try to figure out what it's looking for, so I can try to put that all together. So if I do that for this problem, what does it say? Measure of angle A is equal to 54 degrees, 34 degrees, 34 degrees. Measure of angle B is equal to 52 degrees. And measure of angle C is what it's asking us to find. So what should we do in this case? Well, we know it's asking us the measure of some angle of a triangle, and we know the other two. So what's the important fact? That any triangle's angles add up to 180 degrees. Or in other words, writing it all out, I'm just going to write the formula because that helps me to remember it. And maybe if I see a problem like this on the exam, if I practice like this, it will help me. So this has to be equal to 180. Measure of angle A plus measure of angle B plus measure of angle C. And now I just go through and I say, okay, this is exactly what I was looking for there. This is exactly what I was looking for here. And now I just go ahead and plug in. So 34 plus 52 plus this thing that I'm looking for, measure of angle C, that's equal to 180. What can I do now? Subtract off 34 from both sides. Subtract off 52 from both sides. So let me make sure that I do that here. 52. And I get that measure of angle C is equal to, doing the math, 94. And then I add on my degree sign. And I'm also going to circle my final answer. Things to not forget is you really want to make sure you have this degree sign on there. It's sort of like when we do measurements, we want to make sure we have that unit, and we want to make sure at the end we are talking about degrees. If your middle work doesn't have the units or the degrees, that's fine. They can be really tedious to keep up with, and it's not very important. But at the end, you do have to say it's 94 degrees, not just 94. So that would be how we do problem number 1.